Hey, Shift Path here. Quick question. Have you ever seen a sports car or SUV and thought, I have to get that one day?
Or maybe it's that car on Instagram that's your ultimate dream ride.
Drop a comment below. Let me know which car you've been dreaming about.
Introduction. Today we're diving into the 2025 Ford Mustang Dark Horse. Is it just another muscle car, or does it truly live up to the legendary Mustang name? Let's find out. Powertrain and performance under the hood, the Dark Horse boasts a modified Gen 4 5.0L Coyote V8 engine. This powerhouse delivers 500 horsepower and 418 lb-ft of torque. Paired with a Tremec 6-speed manual transmission, it offers an exhilarating driving experience. For those preferring an automatic, there's an optional 10-speed select-shift automatic transmission available. With either option, the Dark Horse accelerates from 0 to 60 mph in just 3.7 seconds.
That's supercar territory. Top speed, an impressive 166 mph. Whether you're on the track or the street, this Mustang doesn't disappoint. Handling and suspension, the Dark Horse isn't just about straight-line speed. It features a Dark Horse-specific handling package, including upgraded suspension components and Brembo brakes. These enhancements provide improved cornering abilities and overall driving dynamics. The MagneRide adaptive suspension system adjusts damping in real time, ensuring optimal performance in various driving conditions. Whether you're carving through corners or cruising on the highway, the Dark Horse delivers a balanced and responsive ride. Design and features visually, the Dark Horse stands out with its aggressive styling. It includes a functional hood vent, an aggressive front fascia, and distinctive badging. Inside the cabin is race-inspired, featuring RECARO sport seats, a customizable digital instrument cluster, and a 13.2-inch LCD capacitive touchscreen. The interior design focuses on the driver, with controls and displays easily accessible. Every detail is crafted to enhance the driving experience. Technology and infotainment, the 2025 Mustang Dark Horse comes equipped with advanced technology features. The Sync 4 system offers seamless smartphone integration, allowing you to access apps, navigation, and more. The 13.2-inch touchscreen provides crisp graphics and intuitive controls. For audio enthusiasts, the available Bang Olufsen sound system delivers premium sound quality. Safety is also a priority, with features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and pre-collision assist with automatic emergency braking. Pricing and value starting at $61,980. The Dark Horse is competitively priced within the muscle car segment. Its performance capabilities and features position it as a strong contender against rivals like the Chevrolet Camaro ZL1 and Dodge Challenger RT Scat Pack. However, some critics note that the interior quality may not match the premium feel of its competitors. Despite this, the Dark Horse offers exceptional value for those seeking a high-performance vehicle. Fuel economy. While performance is a priority, the Dark Horse doesn't neglect fuel efficiency. The EPA estimates combined fuel economy at 17.25 mpg, depending on driving conditions and driving habits. For a high-performance V8 engine, this is relatively efficient. However, enthusiasts should be prepared for lower fuel economy during spirited driving. Ownership costs. Over a 5-year period, the 2025 Ford Mustang Dark Horse has an estimated cost to own of $101,125. This includes depreciation, insurance, maintenance, and fuel costs. While higher than some competitors, the Dark Horse's performance and driving experience justify the investment. It's a vehicle that offers thrills every time you get behind the wheel. Safety and reliability. Ford has equipped the Dark Horse with a suite of safety features. These include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and pre-collision assist with automatic emergency braking. These technologies work together to enhance driver confidence and safety. While specific reliability ratings are not yet available, Ford's reputation for building durable vehicles adds to the Dark Horse's appeal. Conclusion: the 2025 Ford Mustang Dark Horse is more than just a muscle car. It's a high-performance vehicle that delivers exhilarating speed, precise handling, and advanced technology.
Its aggressive styling and race-inspired features make it stand out in the crowd.
For enthusiasts seeking a thrilling driving experience, the Dark Horse is a compelling choice. It offers exceptional value and performance, making it a worthy addition to the Mustang legacy.